Are you looking for a refreshing and tasty summer dish that really doesn't require too much of effort? Well, today I'm sharing with you this summer chicken salad, which is very simple, easy, and quick to make. Hey guys, this is Shirley. Welcome to my kitchen. So over here I'm using chicken strips. This is cut very thin. This is about 400 grams of chicken. You can use accordingly to the quantity of salad that you require or the portion that you're making. I'm going to season the chicken with some salt to taste. I'm using some paprika powder here. Some garlic powder, about a teaspoon. I'm using some crushed chili here for some extra heat. Well, this is optional, but if you like it a little bit spicy, you can also add this. Some lemon juice, about a tablespoon. Let's give this a good mix and leave it aside to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. And while our chicken is marinating, let's get our salad plate ready. To this, I'm going to add some lettuce, some green pepper. You can use even the red and yellow pepper, some thin strips of carrot, diced cucumber, some sliced onion, a few bits of apple pieces. This is a real great combination in a chicken salad. Do give it a try. The salad plate looks very pretty, very colorful, and very refreshing. I'm going to leave this aside now and let's get ready with our chicken. I'm going to heat a pan, and to this I'm adding some olive oil, about a tablespoon or so. Drizzle some honey. This will caramelize the chicken. The chicken looks really nice. This is our crispy fried chicken strips. Now let's make our dressing. To this I'm adding about 1/3 cup of olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. About a tablespoon of mustard sauce. Some salt to taste. Some freshly crushed pepper. I'm using some mixed herbs here, about a teaspoon. Some lemon juice, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm adding a tablespoon of honey to balance the flavors. You can also use maple syrup. Let's whisk this all together. This makes our honey mustard dressing. Let's add it to our plate of salad now. I'm going to add a little more to my plate. Some capers. This is pickled capers. Some sliced olives and some pickled jalapenos. This is optional, but I like it a little bit spicy, so I'm adding this to my salad. Adding the chicken strips. For a little crunch, some cheese and garlic croutons. And now for the dressing. Let's toss in our salad and bring it all together. Just adding some finely chopped coriander, or you can also use parsley leaves. The salad can be had warm at room temperature, It really makes a complete whole meal. This makes a very good summer salad. Do give it a try. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more mouth-watering recipes coming your way. Thanks for watching. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen. Happy cooking.